Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna react on another Indonesian video, and this is basically a tank boat made by Indonesia. And let's quickly read the title of this video first, and then we will move further. So the name of this video is GAGAH Tank Boat ANTASENA Buatan Indonesia MULAI SIAP TEMPUR. So in English it is powerful tank boat ANTASENA made in Indonesia, start ready to combat. So it is completely ready to combat in a war or something like that. So that is the name of the video, and if you guys are new on the channel, please make sure to give a like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get quick notifications of my new uploads. So without wasting any more time, let's watch now. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's play. Okay, looks cool from top as well. It's like someone is eating something in the back.
Halo sobat bagu hantam yang nunggu prakerja gelombang terakhir. Iya, salam. Sama bos.
Okay, all the info is
untuk TNI nggak boleh canda-canda, serius ya kan. Perusahaan terbaik
you can pause the video and you can read
PT Pindad
the
telah
specifications.
memproduksi alat utama sistem persenjataan
Okay,
alutsista
probably this is a factory.
berupa kapal cepat yang dapat mendukung pertahanan dan keamanan TNI dalam operasi di laut, sungai, rawa, dan pantai. Alutsista terbaru itu bernama Tank Boat ANTASENA.
Wow.
Tank Boat ini merupakan salah satu program rancangan Bapak Pertahanan Bapak Prabowo Subianto yang digarap oleh konsorsium di mana PT Pindad menjadi lead integrator bersama.
Okay, the amazing thing is that it is made in Indonesia.
PT Land Industry dan PT Hari. Tank Boat ANTASENA Buatan Anak Bangsa itu telah berhasil menjalani serangkaian tahap pengujian sea trial dari dermaga Banyuwangi ke perairan Paiton, Jawa Timur pada akhir pekan lalu. Tidak hanya melewati pengujian sea trial, Tank Boat ANTASENA juga telah melakukan pengujian firing test atau menembak dengan menggunakan senjata utamanya
advanced modular system
di lapangan tembak TNI Angkatan Laut Paiton, Jawa Timur. Apakah tank boat ini mampu membuat Amerika ketar-ketir? Iya, salah.
Amerika?
Kalau dipakai untuk patroli, bisa-bisa
I hope I could
kapal-kapal
understand.
yang lagi asik-asik menangkap sambil ngopi
Okay,
dan
snipers.
berdiri bulu jemari mereka.
No, it's a machine gun, I think.
Menggunakan cannon 30
Machine gun
mm.
to combat, you know,
Selain itu, tank boat
to shoot
ANTASENA
down
memiliki kemampuan mengarungi medan
planes,
tempur
war
seperti
planes,
wilayah pantai, sungai, dan rawa
etc.
dengan kecepatan maksimum 40 knot serta daya jelajah hingga 600 nautical mile. Tank boat ANTASENA dapat mengangkut kurang lebih 60 orang
Looks
personil
like a
di dalamnya.
giant boat.
Benarkah 60 orang personil ya kan? Dengan 5 kru kapal. Yang tahu nanti jawab ya di bawah ya.
From top it looks, you know, tank, and from bottom it is, you know, it's a boat.
Untuk menghadang ormas mungkin.
Okay,
Iya,
it's a
dan yang tak kalah kerennya adalah
mixture
kapal
of
cepat
both.
atau tank boat ANTASENA itu telah dilengkapi sejumlah persenjataan yang dapat mendukung tentara dalam operasi. Di antaranya
Probably it is
senjata
automatic.
RCBS cannon kaliber 30
These are some
mm
cameras,
dan dua
high quality,
12,7 mm yang bisa
to accurately target.
Dengan adanya alutsista terbaru ini, semoga bangsa kita, Tentara Nasional Indonesia, semakin jaya di mata dunia. Bagaimana menurut kalian? Tank boat ini lebih fungsi ke patroli, bisa untuk perang, apa pendaratan, apa amfibi, ya kan? Sangat menarik. Bayraktar. Maaf. Iver. Silakan baku hantam kalian sambil ngopi di markas KKB.
Wow, it is an amazing invention by Indonesian Army, no doubt. It looks giant, you know. It's a combination of tank and the boat. So from top it looks like a tank, and from bottom it is boat. So it is a combination of both of them. So tanks, they can't move in the water, so they cannot work. And on the other hand, boats are mostly there for guarding the coast and things like usually it is like that, but it is a combination of both of them. So it looks amazing, and it looks giant, and it is and all the technology they installed in it is advanced. And you could, if you could pause the video and you can read that all the specifications of this tank boat. And I couldn't understand Bahasa, so I know you must have understand what the speaker was saying in this video. So you understood everything, so that matters. So I'm pretty sure you loved this video. If you do, please make sure to give a like to this video, and you can share this video. And if you are new on my channel, yeah, subscribe and press the bell icon. So I will come back with another amazing video like that, and you can also suggest me more videos like that in the comment section. I will love to see, I will love to get your I would love to receive your thoughts, your comments on this video. So that's it for today. See you next video. Till then, goodbye. Have a great day.